Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. Here are the headlines. Government will not succumb to unjustified demands, says Paul Lingdo on cherry blossom controversy. District Session Court of West Giant Hills District gets new office building at Tirshi. Indian Air Force air show mesmerizes spectators at Omyam Lake with precise formation flying and aerial maneuvers. And fifth, a horror 4x4 off-road challenge gets underway at Natural City Park in Ruboy. The news in detail. Amidst the controversy over concluding the upcoming Cherry Blossom Festival on the 19th of November, which is a Sunday, Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo said that there is a political motive behind the move to oppose the Cherry Blossom Fest on a Sunday. The minister also maintained that the government will not succumb to such illogical and unjustified protests. It may be mentioned that the Joint Action Committee, a conglomeration of several pressure groups from Ruboy district, vowed to start an agitation if the state government fails to comply with its demand to postpone the final day of the three-day Cherry Blossom Festival.
Well, people have different opinions. As I said, anybody can object to anything. But is it unprecedented? Have we not had concerts on Sundays in Shillong in the past? So I suspect that there is a political motive behind this move, that there are forces who are trying to impede the growth of tourism.
The Khasi Students' Union has expressed concerns over the lack of infrastructure and basic facilities in government schools in the rural areas. They allege that the Pindeng Kirit Government LP School in Mausharit Block and the Mausharit Civil Subdivision is one such school that is deprived of several basic amenities, safe drinking water and midday meal schemes since 2017. KSU took up this matter with the SDSEO Nongstoin and demanded immediate action, after which assurance was given that the issue would be addressed at the earliest.
Ila ai ke jingkular ba simkhya ba tuklar ba ka managing committee ba ni kermanskan ba in budin ba nakaliw jungi sayro ni ay budin ba ni ayo ke jingkulai ka bekepang ni madam ni berploy ba simkhya ya kene kam gamar kalong ke jingku nanta dikna school jogate kasno.
The declaration of results of the District Selection Committee for 10 lower division assistant posts advertised in the year 2018 did not go down well with the residents of Southwest Garo Hills, who alleged that the entire process was biased after only one candidate from the district was selected. The results were declared on October 17th. Disappointed with the results, the residents held a meeting today to raise objection. The meeting saw the presence of residents and NGOs of the area, including political parties. The protesters further alleged that upon checking, they found that the job reservation policy was not followed. As part of the 91st anniversary celebration of the Indian Air Force Headquarters Eastern Air Command organized and air display by IAF aircraft over Omyam Lake as part of its public outreach initiative today. The air display comprised a flypast by ALH and Chinook helicopters, Dornier transport aircraft, Su-30 and Rafale fighter jets. The aircraft carried out formation flying and other aerial maneuvers, demonstrating exceptional flying skills and professionalism. The grand finale was the helicopter formation flying display by the Sarang helicopter display team. Sarang Display Team is acknowledged as one of the best helicopter display teams in the world. The new building of the District Session Court of West Giant Hills District was inaugurated by Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, Justice Sanjeev Banerjee, on Thursday at Tirshi. Earlier, Justice Sanjeev Banerjee unveiled the flag, signifying the birth of this new District Session Court complex. He was accompanied by the Deputy Chief Minister Snehaw Bhalangdhar, judges of the Meghalaya High Court, Justice H.S. Thankyu and Justice W. Dingdaw. In his inaugural address, the Chief Justice highlighted the significance of the District Session Court, which will play a pivotal role in delivering justice at the grassroots levels, besides reducing backlog of cases. The court building was constructed on an 11.162 acres of land at a cost of rupees 35 crores 89 lakh 82,000 only. It comprises 4 floors and 7 courtrooms. It may be mentioned that the total pendency of cases in the district is 978, that is 718 criminal cases and 260 civil cases. The adventurous Nyotrep Offroaders, a fervent group of thrill seekers, kick off the 5th Ahor 4x4 Off-Road Challenge 2023 on Thursday amidst the scenic beauty of Karsti Natural Park, Nuriboi District. This adrenaline-pumping event is set to enthrall enthusiasts for 3 action-packed days, concluding on Saturday. Drawing more than 60 participants from both within and outside the state, this off-road event attracted many spectators. The aim of holding this challenge is to elevate the off-roading scene in Meghalaya and the entire Northeast. As part of the 13th anniversary celebration of the Dorbar Shnong of Nongba Marshalong Village, organized a charitable football-friendly match at the playground of the Tilly Lang Secondary School located at Nongba Marshalong Village in southwest Khasi Hills District on Thursday. The football match was inaugurated by the Superintendent of Police Southwest Khasi Hills District, G.D. Karwanlang, and later closed by Maukarwat MLA Renington Lingdaw Tongkar.
Hagba punya kontribut aglaga snong kanlong kaji sarong nia pi kilo snong hagba punya sei borba dala jong hik kendiat na kaleng jongiro ini tahu kilat kenti kumbai basencara de kren lepahanga ngin sa persang banwa ya kilat kenti punya dan bentalang bat kene kejik angno jong pi snong.
Now let's have a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded was 21.7 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature recorded was 12.6 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 46%, while relative humidity in the evening was 63%. The forecast, Shillong will experience dry weather most likely. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Government will not succumb to unjustified demand, says Paul Lingdaw on cherry blossom controversy. District Session Court of West Giant Hills District gets new office building at Tirshi. Indian Air Force Air Show mesmerizes spectators at Omyam Lake with precise formation flying and aerial maneuvers. And 5th Ahor 4x4 Off-Road Challenge gets underway at Natural Karsti Park in Nuriboi. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you today. Thank you and good night.